Remember the rumors of a slimmer, more premium Galaxy Fold 6 variant? Today, we have additional information, and it seems like the Z Fold 6 Ultra is the phone the Z Fold 6 should have been. What's up, dudes? Sal is here. So, although Samsung's huge Unpacked event is just around the horizon, when they will introduce the Z Fold 6, rumors say that another Fold 6 is in the works, due to launch solely in South Korea and China. Today, a South Korean media site reports that it will be slimmer and have larger displays, with a 6.5-inch cover display and a large 8-inch inside screen. These enhancements would put it ahead of the standard Fold 6 in terms of size and sleekness. Samsung has already cut down the Z Fold 6, but they are going much farther with what some call the Z Fold 6 Slim or Ultra. However, there is a trade-off. To achieve that slimmer profile, Samsung may have dropped S Pen functionality. So, if you like using the S Pen with your Fold, the slim version may not be for you. Now here is when things become interesting. According to leaked information, the Z Fold 6 Slim will have more advanced specifications than the standard Fold 6. We don't know the specifications yet, but some rumors include cameras that may outperform the Fold 6. With all of these possible enhancements, the Z Fold 6 Slim is likely to be more pricey. It seems that Samsung is emphasizing thinness, maybe at the expense of S Pen functionality and a high price tag. This slimmer Fold 6 is slated to launch in the fourth quarter of 2024, but only in South Korea and China, according to this latest report. So, if you're not in those areas and want a new Samsung foldable, the Z Fold 6 is still the best option. But I want to hear your thoughts. If you had to pick between these two foldables, would you go with the slim version, which has larger displays and superior specifications, or the standard Fold 6 for S Pen compatibility? Please let me know in the comments. Our first evaluation of the Z Fold 6 comes from an employee who has been using the phone for training. So here's what he said. The phone is light, and the exterior display seems like a whole different phone. It doesn't seem like Samsung just expanded the outside screen of the Fold 3 or Fold 5. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.